Hello there, guys. So I'm here to share your kit with you. So we're having a fabulous event in September. It's a crop at home event, and I have all of the goodies in front of me. So I want you to inventory your kit when you receive it. I am packing these myself, so they will all be perfect. And just give you some detail about how you should cut your paper and all that good stuff. Or, well, at least cut your embellishments out when you receive your kit so you can get a little bit of ahead of the game. If you're wondering what the project is, stay tuned till, hold on, Friday. August 9th is the full reveal on YouTube live at 7 p.m. Central on my YouTube channel. So the reveal of the Crop at Home project will be, again, August 9th at 7 p.m. Central right here on my YouTube channel. So I'm very excited about it. If you have not picked up a kit, I added more to the shop. This has been a super duper popular kit. So you can still pick up your kit. If you are in the US only, it is a guarantee you'll receive it by the event. If you are not in the US, I cannot guarantee that because time is a ticking. But you can still get it if you want to and use a digital collection use the digital collection. You can also pick up the ticket to the event only to participate in the class using your own supplies or the digital collection, and that is all in the description box below. So let's get to the fabulous kit. So this kit is loaded, my friends, absolutely loaded. It's going to come packaged to you pretty much exactly like this. All right, so you're going to get your 2 rolls of tape, your P3 tape, and your Maker Basics 3/8 inch double-sided tape. All right, if you need some more, this tape is available in my shop. I don't even know why I'm saying that because it does not fit in the box. But for those of you who need tape, Maker Basics 3/8 inch and P3 tape are in stock in the shop. So you get this in your kit. Then let's talk about the paper collection. All right, so these are the embellishments that you find in the paper collection that you will be cutting out. All right, so you get 2 packages, 2, my friends, of the Messages from the Past collection. That is gorgeous. And I guess I can open this one, it's fine. I can use this one. And by the way, some pads have this tape and some do not. I really don't like this tape. I'm going to find something else. But anyway, just so you know, I recently ordered another bunch without this tape. So you may notice that yours does not have the tape. All right, anyway. So this is Messages from the Past. It's very grungy, kind of junk journal-esque. All right, but we are making a mini album, and I'm going to flip through very, very, very quickly because we'll be here forever, guys. It's got a ton of embellishments, and that you will cut out, my friends. The backs are a pattern. So on the second pad, you will not cut out the embellishments. You only cut out the embellishments from one pad. Only one. The second pad, we're using all of the papers. So when you cut your embellishments out, they're going to look like piles of this, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. Really beautiful. You can use your, there's pocket cards. You can use your scan and cut to cut out your embellishments. They're pretty straightforward, so they're going to cut out really, really easy. Okay, so really pretty stuff, my friends. This album is going to be amazing. Look at these embellishments. And what I love about these embellishments is that you can use them for so many different projects. Okay, so many different projects. So that's the paper collection. Then you're going to get a pack of craft cardstock. You're going to get 2 sheets of my, these are all Paper Phenomenon products. Paper Phenomenon Craft. Also my acetate and my Maker Basics chipboard. So the acetate that we're using in this kit is the 007. All right, these are all things you can pick up a la carte in my shop. These things here, paper, acetate, chipboard, cardstock, things like that. All right, in my shop. Now for the kit goodies, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see the project on this. So let's open it up. I have one packed here that I'm not going to open up. You may have a few items that stick to the magnets here that I didn't notice that they were, so that you get extra goodies if you get extras, because your stuff is in there. But there's magnets in there, so sometimes things stick to the bottom of the packaging and I don't even notice. But my friends, you get your compass, right? And here it is out of the packaging, right? How beautiful it is. You get 3 rolls of washi, and they're really super cool. You get this wax seal, and it comes in this package by itself because I didn't want it to get jacked up. The wax seal, you get this super fun acetate or acrylic frame, which you can put a picture in it, and the ever so popular camera that we're going to use for the closure. And listen up. Do you hear that? Say cheese. So this is the actual closure of the album, right? In your little goodie box, which also comes in this bag, right? In this bag, you get a package. See how things stick together. So you get your magnets with your discs, okay? You get, and you should have 5 magnets and 5 discs. If you have more magnets or more discs, it's because, you know, I pack these myself. Sometimes things slip in. So you get paper clips, eyelets, and string, all right, in this little bag that I put in here like that. You get some bungee cord. This is the closure. You get 2 of these clips. One is attached to the bungee cord and the other one is loose. You also get these little I don't know what you call them, but these little things that we're going to make the closure with. You get 4 of these. All right, and these are in silver because the camera hardware is in silver. All right, then you're going to get 3 oversized paper clips, this one, and this one. So this key is so cute. You're gonna get a few of these, 3 or 4 of these. I just took a bit and threw them in there, of these little I love these safety pins, and this D-ring hardware set right here. All right, so you get that, and you also get, aside from the camera, the compass, and all that good stuff that you get this butterfly charm and this travel inspired charm. It's airplane, globe, and passport. There's one that's airplane, camera, and passport. All right, so you get that in your goodie box of goodie goodness. So really cute things, guys. Super cute things. And let me close that up. So it is a travel-inspired theme. It's a travel theme, but the traveling can be symbolic, guys. It doesn't have to be like you're traveling, symbolic, all right? A journey of sorts. Then you get some paper products, okay? And this will come packaged like this, including that. You're gonna get, come out. You're going to get 2 butterflies, a small and a large one. All right, so these will vary. You're going to get a leaf. All right, and that's just to create a nice little ensemble. You're going to get this pop-up card. Look at how fun. And envelope. And this is really beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, that it's kind of glimmery. All right, so you get that. So can you imagine making something beautiful, a beautiful page with this stuff? All right, then you're gonna get 4 tags, one of these shipping tags, 3 craft envelopes. All right, and check it out, my friends, how perfect these are. All right, so 2 envelopes and then 4 of the tags. All right, and then you get this fabulous envelope. And then you're going to get one of these envelopes. The colors vary here, and all of the colors work really well with the kit, so no worries there. You put one in there. You get this fabulous stamp right here. And then these 2 envelopes that are actually pages. All right, so this one has this closure right here, which is going to be so fun. All right, look how beautiful and clear that is. And then this one, this is actually a page as well. And this one has a Velcro closure. So many fun things. All of this shipped directly to your home, packed by yours truly, right here. And did I miss anything? Gosh, I hope I didn't miss anything. I don't think so. So that's it, guys. This is your kit. It is pretty stinking amazing. I think you guys will enjoy unpacking all of these goodies. And stay tuned to Friday for the full project. Oh, and you get your little butterfly pick. All right, I'm calling this a pick. We're gonna actually make a bookmark out of this. So I'm gonna show you how this is gonna work. So let's say we're gonna make a bookmark, and you're gonna have a butterfly coming out of your book like this. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Yes. So you get your butterfly pick. So just picture it, guys. Picture the project with all of these amazing, amazing goodies. So it's going to be so good, my friends. You're going to cherish this album. And the best part of this entire thing is that we make this project together live in a community setting via Zoom. We're going to have prizes, games. It's a fantastic 3 days. I like to think that I take it slow, right? I like to think that I take it slow, but you can, we're talking, you can say, Kathy, you got to slow it down a bit for me, right? I start from beginning to end on the project. You don't have to attend all 3 days. You can absolutely attend whichever days you want. The recorded videos will be there without the classroom setting, right? So let's say if you want to make this project, you don't want to listen to the back and forth, you get private videos, previously recorded videos on how to make the project from start to finish. So let me know what you think about this kit. And also, let me know if you're going to join me on Friday, right? Because I hope you do, for the full reveal of this amazing project. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. You asked for more kits. I was able to get more kits. The link is in the description box below. Get your ticket because we're going to craft together. See you in the next video.